Yo, what is going on, guys? Vulcan Robotics back at it again with another vlog today, coming right back at you. So today we are taking apart our old robot and getting ready for the new one.
Nice, nice.
That was really fun.
I am using an Allen wrench to take apart bolts.
Nice. What are you doing? What are you doing, Derek?
Trying to unscrew the set screw.
Interesting. Very interesting.
If you want to do a portion about programming, you should film the phones charging because that's what we spend most of our time doing.
Phone charging.
Actually, which side did you want to make this from?
The side of the Omni was.
Oh, wait, no!
Oh my god, I can't turn.
Oh, that's so dangerous.
Yo, his parents are gonna see this and like,
I know,
what the
they're
fuck you
gonna
guys
be
do?
like, what is my son doing? Like, it doesn't even roll.
It isn't.
I don't wanna look stupid.
Why? Let me just get this in here. Okay. Gonna get this piece out.
Okay.
I know, it's just moving down. Good luck.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working.
Oh, wow.
Amazing.
Oh.
Okay, so how do you plan?
Hey, we got it out.
Okay.
Wow.
Hey.
Wow.
There we go. Next piece. Let's get it.
Wait, we should first get this out. We might not need to even do it.
Yeah, okay, so Derek, any problems?
Well, Android Studio is trying to. So when you build a project with Android Studio, it makes an APK file, but it's putting it in the wrong place, so it can't find it when it tries to upload it to the phone.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah. So I have to manually put it in the right place so I can find it.
Wow.
Okay, guys. So now we have Jason making the racetrack for our new robot.
Are you doing video? You are.
Yeah, I am. Gonna have a little racetrack. Okay, guys. So we made our little racetrack here. It's a circle. We got
Wait, Jason's in?
Jason going at it,
No, we got more mats. More mats.
trying to finish the circle. Dude, we should have everybody do it, like go around once and then have like a stopwatch and see who can do it the fastest.
Actually, sounds like a really good idea. Let's do that.
Oh, we have boundaries. Jason's so committed right now,
I
dude.
think this work.
Oh my god.
You just have to do the corners.
Okay, yeah, let's just try it, see how it works.
Say 55.
Where's the controller?
Jason is committed. Three. Okay, Jason's coming around, going on the corner, hits the boundaries, gets the boundaries, more than boundaries, cannot get around. Yo, how is it going, guys? It's Vulcan Robotics back at it again with another vlog. So today, in today's meeting, we are working on the motor thing. And our new wheel system. Yeah. Jason, wanna add?
Alright, okay. Okay, we're gonna be doing a 6-wheel tank drive with center drop wheel. We're using timing belts as our power transmission instead of chain because it's lighter and less messy. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Would you like to explain the drop wheel?
Alright, so the reason we drop our wheel, you can see that it's off the ground. A little bit rocks back and forth. Is that when we
do that again, do that again. Okay.
Is that when we turn a robot, we're gonna turn on 2 wheels, which means that there's less sliding friction on the side, which means that we can turn faster. And having 3 wheels makes it so that we have a really long and stable drive base. Yeah.
Yeah.
For the robot 3 days too. It was kind of the same.
Hey Anna, what are you guys doing?
Oh, we're just adding standoffs to one of the plates so that we can connect the 2 plates that cover the wheels in the drivetrain.
Yo, guys, so I made a fidget spinner. Very, very handy in these cases, hard times, in meetings. You know, it's really helped me get through the day.
It's for moral support.
Great.
Okay, so we're about to test this drivetrain for the very first time. See this? Yes.
Because what?
Everything's connected.
Oh,
Oh my god, it's so cool.
Yeah.
I can't believe my eyes.
Nothing broke. This is good.
Okay.
Alright.
So, back with the fidget spinner. I added some of these nice, heavy, whatever you call them, to them. So it really gives you that nice feel.
wow.
10
10 out of 10. Now drilling so that the hole on the plate can be bigger.
So what we did was that we put the actual dimension that we wanted in the CAD, but since the water jet makes everything a little bit smaller, the holes came out a bit too small for our bearings to go into, so yeah, so he's just making them bigger.